The subject of today's video is how to build an online business without quitting your day job. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I began my affiliate marketing career in December of 2020, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. First, do not quit your day job, because making money in affiliate marketing does not happen overnight. And don't get conned by anyone who says you can make money overnight. That is simply not true. It is a lie. You have to spend months building up email lists of customers for your product or service that you're trying to sell. You also have to spend several weeks to several months learning the ropes of the affiliate marketing business. That learning curve was not easy for me, but then again, was not born with a mouse in my hand, like most of you younger folks. Even though I sold millions of dollars worth of stuff on eBay and Amazon since 2005. Second, do not believe anyone who says that you can do all this for free. That is a lie. Just like any business, you have to put money into it to get it up and running. However, unlike most other businesses, there are no fixed costs. You have complete control over how much you want to spend, and you can stay within your financial comfort zone while you're building your new business up. There are some millionaire internet marketers who were dishwashers and wait persons while building their online fortunes. So it can be done. Now, I know there are some of you who hate your job, but you can't quit for obvious reasons. There is another way to do something you do like and potentially make more money. Build a cutting-edge online business. But there's a right way and there's a wrong way to build an online business while still working at your day job. The first step is getting the right knowledge from the right coach. A coach who has made millions of dollars himself in the online business he is teaching to his students. The second step is getting a coach who wants to make you his partner. A coach who has skin in the game. A coach whose success also depends on your success. The third step is going all in and doing what your coach teaches you to do. Take the training as if your life depends on it, and then act on that training, because if you do not, you will lose money. Don't waste your time making the same mistakes that most wannabe online business owners make, who do not get any training or refuse to pay for any training. This kind of thinking only ends in financial ruin. Now, the training that works for me, that training and that coach for me was Anthony Morrison, who was a giant in the online marketing business and has the dollar numbers to prove it. And he has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. His Partner with Anthony affiliate marketing course has 30 affiliate marketing videos that are a step-by-step teaching series that is the best and most up-to-date on the market. No stone is left unturned. To get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison, just click on the link below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Thank you.